Hello, welcome to 375 Central Avenue, Unit 169 in Building 17 in Riverside, California. This is a beautiful first floor unit, so no stairs, little private patio, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, extra storage closets, and the community has some amenities as well. This home is in a sought-after community in Riverside with plenty of walking trails nearby, beautiful landscaping. It feels like you're out in the country even though you're right in the city. To schedule a tour today, go to management1.com or submit your application. Enjoy!